Are you feeling nervous about your upcoming job interview? Are you worried about what questions they might ask, what to wear, or how to speak confidently? If yes, then relax. I am here to guide you step by step. Just sit back, take a deep breath, and listen carefully. Let's begin. Introduction. Job interviews are a part of life. Everyone, whether a fresher or an experienced professional, feels some level of fear or stress before an interview. Questions like, will they like me? What if I don't know the answer? What should I wear? These thoughts come naturally. But remember, preparation removes fear. The more prepared you are, the more confident you feel. So today, I will walk you through everything you need to know. From resume, communication, dressing, behavior, to mindset, handling rejection, and even questions you can ask the interviewer. By the end of this audio, you will feel fully ready to face your next interview with confidence. Let's start with Step 1. Step 1. Research about the company. Before attending any interview, the most important thing you must do is research. Spend at least 20 to 30 minutes studying the company. Visit their website. Check what they do. Know their products, services, values, and mission. Also understand the role you're applying for. Why is this important? Because interviewers love candidates who show genuine interest. When you speak about the company confidently, it creates a powerful impression. Even simple lines like, I really appreciate your company's focus on innovation, or I believe my skills match this role because, can make you stand out. Step 2. Prepare a clean, error-free resume. Next comes your resume, your first impression. Keep your resume simple, neat, and easy to read. Include your education, skills, experience, and achievements. Don't fill unnecessary details. Avoid long paragraphs. Use bullet points. Most importantly, be truthful. Interviewers often ask questions directly from your resume. So make sure you know everything that is written. A clean, clear resume can immediately increase your chances. Step 3. Common interview questions. Now let's talk about the questions you can expect. Interviewers often ask, tell me about yourself. Why do you want this job? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Why should we hire you? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Tell me about a challenge you faced. What are your salary expectations? Take time to prepare simple, genuine answers. Practice them aloud. Record yourself if possible. This will help you sound confident and structured. Also, remember, you don't need to give perfect answers. You just need to be honest, clear, and calm. Step 4. Body language. Body language speaks louder than words. Here are some powerful tips. Maintain soft, comfortable eye contact. Sit straight, don't slouch. Keep your hands relaxed. Avoid tapping your feet or fidgeting. Nod gently while listening. Smile naturally. Good body language shows respect, confidence, and maturity. Step 5. Voice and communication. Your voice tone matters. Speak clearly. Don't rush. Don't mumble. Take a short pause before answering. It shows you are thinking. Always use polite language. Sure. Thank you for the question. That's a very good point. I appreciate the opportunity. These small things create a big impact. Step 6. What to wear. Now let's talk about dressing, something many people worry about. For men, Indian. Wear a clean, ironed shirt, light colors like white, blue, or pastel shades. Formal trousers. Black or brown formal shoes. Neatly combed hair. Avoid strong perfumes or flashy accessories. For women, Indian. A simple salwar suit, a plain sari, or formal western wear like trousers with a modest top. Subtle colors look professional. Minimal jewelry. Light makeup. Neat, tied hair if possible. Comfortable footwear. Remember, your goal is to look professional, neat, and. Step 7. Mock interviews. Practice makes everything easier. Do mock interviews with a friend, or in front of a mirror, or record yourself on your phone. Observe your tone, expressions, and confidence. Mock interviews reduce nervousness and help you speak more naturally during the real interview. Step 8. Behavior and attitude. Your behavior is the real deciding factor. Here are some important points. Be polite to everyone, from security guards to HR. Enter with confidence. Greet with a smile. Don't interrupt the interviewer. Don't talk negatively about previous employers. Show enthusiasm for the role, but not desperation. If you don't know an answer, say politely, "I'm not completely sure, but this is what I understand." Honesty and humility impress interviewers far more than fake confidence. Step 9. Questions you should ask the interviewer. An interview is not a one-way interrogation. It's a conversation. At the end, they usually ask, "Do you have any questions for us?" Never say no. Here are some good questions you can ask. What are the daily responsibilities of this role? What qualities do successful people in this position usually have? How does your company support employee growth and learning? What are the next steps in the hiring process? These questions show that you are serious about the job and thinking long term. Step 10. Handling rejection. Now, let's talk about something important: rejection. Sometimes, even after putting your best effort, you might not get selected. And that's okay. Rejection does not mean you are not talented. Rejection simply means that job was not the right match, or the timing wasn't right. Learn from each interview. Ask for feedback if possible. Work on your weak areas. Every interview makes you stronger. Every interview teaches you something. Always remember, your opportunity will come. Be patient. Keep trying. And don't lose confidence. Step 11. Final day tips. On the actual interview day, reach early. Carry multiple copies of your resume. Keep your documents ready. Drink water and stay calm. Take a few deep breaths before entering. Be positive, you have prepared well. Walk in with confidence and walk out with pride. You are capable. You are smart. You are prepared. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let self-doubt weaken you. Remember, an interview is not a test of your worth. It is simply a conversation to understand your skills and personality. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. And give your best. Your dream job might be just one interview away. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful guidance and motivational content. Your support encourages us to create more such valuable videos and audios for you. So make sure you subscribe and share this with someone who is preparing for a job interview. Thank you for listening. All the best for your interview.